we are at Ratley's getting some DG, dense grade. You're bad. What do you think, Jarvis? More? The guys are laying down the dense grade over the landscape fabric that we put down earlier this morning. We've got Jack here supervising. Hey Jack. The horses here. It's beautiful property here at Meacham Farms. And we've got Steven here raking out the DG, so we're gonna get it as even as possible with the raking, and then we'll go back in and tamp all this down, which is gonna give the stone a very good base. Now we've got Steven tamping down the dense grade, so that's creating a smooth surface for the sand to go down. Good job, Steven. This here is the rock that from the farm that the client excavated. She got it out from some old home places here on this farm. Kind of famous farm here, the Meacham farm. It's known for Meacham's hams. They were the official country ham of the Kentucky Derby. And they have a ham house back there where they used to sell ham, but they don't sell it anymore, and we sure do miss it at Christmas. But anyway, Steven's getting it going here. We're waiting on another layer of Jarvis will be bringing more dense grade for a front bed walkway that we're doing, and then we'll put down sand. So more to come. Now the guys are taking the sand, the paver sand, and loading it over here into this walkway. Jarvis is going to go rake out that sand that we're doing in the back. And talked about earlier, this house is under the siding is logs. This house was built in the 1800s, so it's a very beautiful historic home here in West Kentucky. Gorgeous views here. And Steven's getting the job done. Yep, looking good, Steven. Thanks. Okay, now Steven we're looking at assessing all the rocks, and then he's finding what we're hoping will be the best rock. Just, yeah, and lay it right next there. So we're thinking that we'll have more square rocks here, and then as it comes out, it'll be more of the rounded rocks, so it kind of has this openness to it as it extends out. So, all right, so let's find, I keep thinking maybe this one could go next. Yeah, and let's just see what the backside looks like too. Yeah, it's the front. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. So it's starting to come together, folks. And then Jarvis will level all these out and we'll add pea gravel. And the pea gravel kind of marries it all together. So that's that. We'll keep going. Jarvis leveled everything out. We got it all loaded in, and now we're putting in pea gravel. And this kind of marries everything together and adds dimension to the look of the patio. What we're going to do here is try to get it in there as best as possible. And then we're going to take our trusty broom here and sweep it in, and that acts almost like a natural cement that kind of holds it all together. You want to make sure you get it nice and thick in there. Okay, we got the pea gravel down, and now, to me, this is the magic part. We're gonna rinse off the stone. And a lot of this stone came from Meacham's farm, so we're trying to repurpose historical stone from the farm here. If I can get the water working. Somebody must be taking a bath. This is also kind of a test to see how our leveling went. See the beauty of the stone now that this is watered down.
That looks good.
why the pressure.